Do you know what this is, you dumb? Do you not know to give way? You pulled out in front of me, you numpty. LT71GHX. Now, man. What the hell did you pull out on me? You bloody well went to go. I mean, if you only drive cars, you might think that's an unwarranted reaction. But if you spend as much time on two wheels, on bikes and motorbikes as I have, then you quickly realize that that's a sign of somebody being an absolute dickhead and being about to risk your life. They don't take chances with that kind of driving.